If you have been spending long hours at your desk, riding bikes, or just feeling that familiar tension in your lower back, you aren't alone. Today, we are going to run through 3 simple, effective yoga poses that you can do right at home to release that tightness and find some relief. Let's get started. First up is the cat cow stretch. This is perfect for waking up the spine. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, drop your belly toward the mat. Lift your chest and chin and look up. This is cow pose. As you exhale, round your back toward the ceiling, tucking your chin into your chest. This is cat pose. It gently massages the spine and improves flexibility in the lower back region. Let's do this for 5 slow deep breaths, syncing the movement with your breath. Next is child's pose. This is the ultimate resting pose for your back. From your tabletop, bring your toes together and spread your knees wide. Gently sit on your hips, back toward your heels, and reach your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. It creates space in your lower back and helps to calm the nervous system, which is great if your back pain is stress related. Let's hold this for 1 minute and feel the tension melting away. Finally, we have the supine twist. Lie flat on your back, bring your knees into your chest, let them fall gently to the left, while keeping both shoulders pressed firmly against the floor. Extend your arms out to the sides. Look toward your right hand. This helps to gently release the muscles around the lower back and hips that tighten up throughout the day. Let's hold for 30 to 45 seconds on each side. Breathe deeply into the twist. Switch to the other side. Consistency is key. Try these 3 poses daily, even for just 5 minutes, and you will start to feel a huge difference. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more tips on wellness, movement, and staying pain-free. See you in the next video.